come and introduce yourself. Once again, feel free in IPRC Kigali. This is your home.
We are in Ziza Training Academy. Ziza Training Academy is the only one institute in Rwanda that deals with upskilling professionals. Some students complain too much saying about jobs are seekers. Jobs are there. Even now, there are job vacancies in different companies. The problem, are you ready to fit in the position? So to enable yourself, you need the training. You need to be trained. You need to be enabled. You need to go with what is trending.
So I would like to thank Naziza Training Academy and IPRC who are helping you to grow and develop. So my name is Sadi Chauhan. I'm an AEC consultant. I'm from Dubai. It's been 10 years I'm in a market helping people to know about construction and technology. And it's really my pleasure to be here in front of the professionals. You are the future guys. You are the quantity surveyor, engineers, estimator. You're gonna be the builders, contractors, consultants, and just say a name. You guys are the future. So it's my pleasure to stand here. It's an honor for me. So thank you so much guys for joining this session.